Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download any movie or web series from internet for free. First of all, take a look at all these steps. Step number 1, you have to open your browser. Step number 2, type name of movie or series that you want to download. After writing the name of movie or web series, you have to put this in start of the name. This is index slash. Then click on file. It will start automatically downloading. Now let's do it practically. Here I want to search for a movie named Interstellar. So in the beginning of this name I will write index slash Interstellar. As you can see, here we can find this movie. I'll click it. And these are all the files. First of all, this is 1080p version of this movie. Second is 480 pixel version. Third is IMAX remastered. The fourth is its subtitles. And the fifth is movie itself. You can download any of it according to your data plan if you have limited data. I'm going to download the IMAX version of this movie. I'll click it and you can see it has started downloading here. That's all. Thank you very much. If you liked this video, you can subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.